it, let it, let it. I don't start at the back. You guys don't know. I always start with the back. And as you guys can see, I have like this color stencil. I have it in pink and silver because it's given. Like, I like how it looks. And I already parted out the front. Like, it's all section out. Like, so right now, all we gotta do, baby, is braid, which I'm so excited to do because it's all parted out. So guys, you guys already know, only thing I'm using is red one, of course, all I'm using, and that's about it. And we're just gonna keep adding here. So we're knotless braids. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the first one in front. We're gonna add some product, and we're gonna just start braiding. So your 3 sections. It's very simple if you know how to braid already. So we're gonna continue doing this throughout our whole, well, the half of the front of our head, since I done did the back. I finished braiding the ends and I put in rods. Yeah, so I was gonna use human hair like in the ends, so you know they could be curly. I even bought the whole bundle and everything, but then I got so lazy and I was like, nah, I'm gonna just do it with some rods because we lazy in these ends. Like, no, I'm mad tired. Like, I spent the whole day doing my hair. Like, that's crazy. And now just to, if I was to put the bundles, the curly bundles in the end, that would have been I'd have been the whole night doing my hair. No, was not gonna do that. So I finished braiding it. I have the rods in. Just put the hot water so you know it ain't stiff. So I'm about to put some mousse on. Got the mousse right here. It don't even matter what mousse it is, to be honest. I love the feeling. It feels so good. Still gotta do my edges. Let me take off these rods. So we got the curly ends still. I gotta take off this side. You claim you want me, but it